In today's dynamic workplace, a rich blend of diverse backgrounds and beliefs harmonize, fostering innovation and inclusivity. This video highlights the importance of religious diversity and the ways to cultivate an inclusive, harmonious work environment. Religious diversity isn't just a feature, it's a fundamental strength. It adds a rich variety of perspectives, experiences, and values, greatly enriching our workplace culture. The cornerstone of a harmonious workplace is respect. Fostering open dialogue, empathetic listening, and an environment where every employee feels valued and included is key. Flexibility is crucial. Ensuring that all employees can practice their faith and fulfill their religious obligations without hindrance is important. Awareness is essential. We aim to eliminate stereotypes and unconscious biases, embracing the diversity of beliefs in a judgment-free environment. Empower through education. Implementing diversity and inclusion training can inform and inspire, leading to a more understanding and inclusive workforce. Creating safe spaces is integral. Designated areas for reflection, meditation, or prayer support employees in practicing their faith and finding peace. If you're driven to develop impactful e-learning courses on diversity awareness, we are your ideal partner. Join us on a collaborative venture to craft transformative learning experiences that highlight the significance of religious diversity in professional settings.